Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Bluetooth audio lag on MacBook. Sound Sync Troubleshooting Guide. Fix 1. Turn Bluetooth off and back on. Click the control center or Bluetooth icon in the menu bar, then turn Bluetooth off. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn Bluetooth back on. Test your audio again. Second one is disconnect and reconnect your Bluetooth device. Go to System Settings, then Bluetooth, then find your headphone or speaker. Click disconnect, wait a few seconds, then click connect again and check if the audio delay is gone. Third one is restart your MacBook and Bluetooth device. Turn off your Bluetooth headphone or speaker, then restart your MacBook. Turn your Bluetooth device back on, then reconnect it to your Mac. Play a video or song to test the sound. Fourth one is remove and pair the Bluetooth device again. Open System Settings, then Bluetooth. Click the info or more button next to your device. Then select forget this device. Put the device into pairing mode, then pair it with your MacBook again. Fifth one is reset Bluetooth or your Mac. Turn Bluetooth off in System Settings, then restart your Mac. Turn Bluetooth back on, then pair your remote Bluetooth device again. Test whether the audio is now synced. Thanks for watching.